Hello everyone, this is Roger from airtanksplus.com. Today I'd like to introduce you to our 90-degree hose. This hose turns 90 degrees at the female Foster side. This is great if you want to tether your air gun and you don't want the hose sticking out. Or if it just sticks out in an inconvenient location and you want to change that, this hose will do it. This hose is available on the website in a couple different lengths, 24, 36, and 48. But we make our own hoses here at AirTanks Plus, so we can custom make this hose any size you want it, or any other hose you want, whatever you need. Just let us know. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 916-800-1398. Visit us online at airtanksplus.com. Thank you.